Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a mobile app with Glide, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Glide website. Create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, select the new project option. Choose a template that suits your app's purpose. For a custom app, select Start from Scratch. Next, connect your data source. You can use Google Sheets for this purpose. Link your Google account to Glide. Select the spreadsheet you want to use. Once your data is loaded, explore the layout options. Glide offers various components like lists, buttons, and images. Drag and drop components onto your app screen. Customize each component to match your app's theme. You can change colors, fonts, and sizes as needed. Add new tabs by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Name each tab according to its function. To link your components to the data, click on them. Select the relevant column from your data source. Preview your app by clicking the Preview button. Test the functionality of each component thoroughly. Make adjustments as needed based on your testing. To add interactivity, consider using action buttons. These can help with navigation or performing tasks. Once satisfied with your app, click on the Publish button. Follow the prompts to make your app live. Share the app link with others to gather feedback. You can always return to make improvements. Keep exploring Glide's features for advanced functionalities. Now you're ready to create your own mobile app with Glide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.